A man in his 30s stares in horror at his smoking microwave, muttering, "How did frozen lasagna turn into charcoal?" Cut to him furiously scraping burnt food off a plate, grumbling, "This was supposed to be easy." Later, slumped on the couch, he scrolls through a pizza delivery app, sighing, "I should have done this from the start." The doorbell rings and he smiles as he grabs the pizza from a delivery person, relieved. Finally, sitting on his couch, he happily munches on a slice, thinking, "Pizza's always the answer." The last shot shows him reaching for the final slice in the box. Crumbs everywhere. He smirks, "Last one's mine."